What's up, guys? Michael Hicks here with Mike Does. Week 2 of my weight loss challenge. Week 2, video 2. Good morning, guys. Day 7. I'm at the gym for round 2. Yesterday was a wild ride. So yesterday was my birthday. Turned 45, so now I'm officially mid-40s, right? I consider, I was lower 40s. 45 will be mid-40s, and then the rest of them will be upper 40s. So I take a big jump next year. But anyway, that day was going great. Had all my workouts in except for an hour of swim. And I was sitting here at the gym and got a call from my wife, and one of our sheep was going into labor, getting ready to deliver a lamb. And she had been with her for, an hour and a half or so. And I guess after her water broke, typically the lambs come within 30 minutes. And if it gets much past an hour, you're probably going to have to help them. So I left the gym, went back home to help deliver the lamb, which I have never done before. So quick YouTube video, call any friends that have sheep and try to figure out what to do. I clean up good and do my best, but get in there and it's a breech birth. And the sheep we didn't even know was pregnant. So it was kind of a shock to us, but her udders hadn't filled up or anything like that. So we weren't expecting it. So it turns out, it was she had miscarried. So dealt with that till about 10:30 last night, and planned a trip to the vet this morning, but she ended up delivering the baby sometime in the middle of the night. So of course, it was stillborn, but so that not a great way to end my birthday, but here we are. So I got up at 3:30 this morning. I've had struggled to get my workouts in, and ended up at the gym at 10:30, 11 o'clock at night to get my workouts in. So I got up at 3:30 this morning, went and got the bike in at Planet Fitness at 4, and then got back at the Rock here at 5 when they opened, and hit the pool for an hour. So I've got those out of the way. I'm going to get in here and get my walk. It's a little rainy today, a little cool, so I'm going to do my walk inside. And I left my headphones in the locker, so I want to have some music while I walk. So we'll see. Weigh in tomorrow. I'll go over the results of this week as far as the workouts and hitting everything this evening, and I'll hop back on and do that. And then tomorrow morning we'll do our weigh-in. So I think I am going to take a day off tomorrow. I put it in there and figured it for 12 hours a week of swim and bike. So that should allow me a free day tomorrow, because I haven't taken a free day yet. I've just missed the swimming a couple times that first week. I think one time, whatever we looked at last week, and then I was short on my swim yesterday, but I went 7 days this week, so that should equal out. So I should have enough time in, the hours wise. I didn't get what I wanted to get daily in, but I think we'll make it work. So we'll see that this evening and go from there. All right, I got home and started adding everything up and realized that I was 10 minutes short on my swim and 1 mile short on my walk for today. So went back to the gym and knocked it out. Let's go over the week. Let's see. Started on Friday, 1 hour swim, 1 hour bike, 3 miles, 14,381 steps. Good on the diet. Saturday, 1 hour bike, 1 hour swim, 4.2 miles, 4.02 miles, 14,187 steps. Good on the diet. Sunday, 1 hour bike, 1 hour swim. Good on the diet. 4.72 miles, 17,729 steps. Monday, it'll be day 4. 1 hour bike, 1 hour swim, 1 hour strength. 3.28 miles, 11,627 steps. Good on the diet. Tuesday, 1 hour bike, 1 hour bike, 21 minutes swim, 3.08 miles, 12,792 steps. Good on the diet. Wednesday, 1 hour bike, 30 minute swim, 1 hour strength, 3.1 mile, 15,133 steps. Good on the diet. Thursday, 1 hour and 10 minutes of swim, 1 hour bike, 3.06 miles, 13,142 steps. Good on the diet. So when I talked about this, I said I was going to do 6 days, or at least 12 hours of swim and bike combined. So that would be 6 days, or at an hour apiece each day for swim and an hour apiece of bike. I met that every day except for Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday I added 21 minutes one day, 30 minutes the next. So I swam over 10 minutes today, so that made up the hour, and that gave me 1 off day on the swim. So I got 6 hours of swim this week, 7 hours of bike, and 3 miles a day every day, over 10,000 steps every day. So we're gonna call that week a win. I am gonna take tomorrow off. I am beat. Yesterday was a rough day, just a lot going on. So I'm gonna take tomorrow and rest. I am gonna do my walking and still get the 10,000 steps, still get the 3 miles. I'm not gonna do the swim and the bike tomorrow. I'm gonna take that as my rest day and hit back on Saturday swimming and biking again. I say that, I may get up in the morning and totally change my mind, but we'll weigh in the morning and see where we stand and get started on next week. Good morning, guys. As you see, we did our weigh-in this morning, 5 pounds. I'm thrilled with that. It's a total of 21 pounds and 6 ounces. I cannot complain about that in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna keep building on that. I think I need an average of about 5.5 pounds a week to hit 100 pounds in 16 weeks. That's after the 16.5 pound loss the first week. So we'll keep on with the 2 hours a day, 6 days a week of the bike and the swim, at least an hour of bike, an hour of swim, or a combination of the both. That could be an hour and a half of swim and 30 minutes bike, or vice versa. I'll take it either way. Okay, just finished our men's group. We meet on Friday mornings in fellowship, have some breakfast, and figured I'd get a little bit of my walk out of the way. Try to get 1.5 miles of the 3 miles in. I have a 10 o'clock appointment, so get a little bit in now, go home, clean up, get to the appointment, and then knock the rest out, hopefully before it rains. If not, I'll do it in the gym. I'd love to hear your ideas on what I could do to improve my videos. This is a new camera to me. I'm figuring it out. So hit me with your ideas on things I could do, things you might want to see more of. I feel a little odd setting it up in the gym if other people are around me. So I don't do a lot of recording in the gym, but if you want to see more of the workout routine, the weights, it's kind of boring watching me bike, but I did get some new attachments for my birthday. So I'm able to strap this camera to a backpack now, or the side of my bike, the side of my truck. Got a tripod and a longer arm for the selfie piece. So yeah, if you have any ideas on things I can do to improve my videos, I'm all ears. If you have content that you want to see me do, again, I know we're going to do some camping content, backpacking content, cars and farm and that kind of stuff. Anything else you think you might want to see me do that you know I do already, Drop it in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. You know, I want to build my subscribers up. Like to build the channel up enough to monetize, just to see if I can. But yeah, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know if I need to change some things. See you guys next week.